All right, the carving contest is over. First thing I want to do is tell everyone thanks, and I'm fucking proud of you guys for even trying, man. A lot of people don't even try, so be psyched on your pumpkin that you carved. It's gonna be nice, shriveled up, and nasty by the time Halloween comes around. So let's go.
New bigger shit.
Oh man, they cleaned up the leaves. I still needed some of those leaves for my shots, man. Come on, man. All right, guys, let's talk about them. We have the Wmns Starfish. Yes, the Wmns Air Jordan 1 High Starfish. And man, these, I know I say this all the time, but I was like, when I seen them in the pictures, I was like, meh. When I got them in hand, I was like, yo. And of course, these do remind me kinda of these. This is the Shattered Backboard 2. I call them the SBB2s. These are lovely. I know it has a black check and all that, but they're similar. White Starfish Kakai Wow Sail. Huh. I've never heard of Wow Sail, but I like regular sail. I guess Wow Sail too. Oh, these laces. These are my favorite laces for this sneaker. I saw someone on IG with these, and I thought that was like their choice, but it's really what Nike put in the box. And when I pulled these up, me and Russ were going crazy.
Yes, they are.
That's some ducks?
No, these are ones.
Are they ones?
Yeah.
He's like, are they dunks? No. He's still getting used to the whole 1,000 pair of ones I have. But when I was doing some research on when these drop, which would be the 27th of this month, they had this interesting note in here that says these actually came from when Jordan was in Italy. Let me read a little bit of this to you. Look and read. Bring your next level game and let it rain. Inspired by the 85 uniform his Airness wore during the exhibition tour in Italy and his awe-inspiring glass-shattering dunk. These shoes pair Italian couture with MJ's undeniable style. Italian couture. You guys hear this? It gets even funnier. Listen to this. Super luxe semi-matte faux leather and embossed leather make the world your runway, while large gauge stitching boost your off-court power. Finish it off with the plush fleece lined collar keeps you flying first class. Huh. Okay, so I don't know about all that luxe leather Italian couture talk, but this looks pretty much like the leather that I'm used to seeing on Jordan 1s. I mean, it does look a little bit better. This could kind of get into that whole Shattered Backboard 1s having the best leather people's ever seen. These are on par with those. Yes, I repeat, These are on par with the Shatter Backboard 1s and Shatter Backboard 2s, not the 3s, because the 3s didn't have this kind of leather. But just look at the leather. It speaks for itself. So whatever they're saying, they might be right about this, besides all that, all that runway stuff. I'm not getting on nobody's runway. Well, maybe. But look at that heel right there. It even has that little point that it's supposed to have. These are amazing, guys. Like, even the inside, like it was saying, that white top part, the collar is just, it's just really, really nice. Like, I was shocked when I seen these. I expected these to be like the cheaper, those UNC ones that they made, kind of with that cheap. This is what I thought I was going to get, but this is way above that. This is, man, I might try to hit on these. I'll try to retail just to see if I can get this pair for a comparison, to see if the retails are any better. I'll try. But man, I don't know, man. These guys really, really did it here. Shout out to the gifter, and just shout out for Nike for making a good colorway and having pretty decent materials is what I'll say for right now. But everything looks good, man. Everything is looking good. These actually even fall in line with the whole fall theme, and I wanted to go outside and get some shots in the leaves, but those guys were working too hard and they scooped all the leaves up. But it is what it is. White laces, those things right there have to stop. But white laces, I don't know. Sail laces, probably I just didn't have enough time to get a pair of sail laces. So white's gonna have to do, like you guys saw in the on foot. Orange, I'm not gonna do orange because I know I'll never rock orange, but the brown is a clear winner. Like the brown lacing, whoever thought that little detail up in the Nike meeting, that person gets some points. Bottom looks like it is a low grade polyurethane. I don't know. They feel good though, so whatever. I mean, I wore these for like 2 days straight and I kind of wrinkled them up, but that's what you're supposed to do with these sneakers, man. Wear the sneakers. What does that date say in there? Looked like it said March or April actually, huh? But I'm out of here. Wait, no, I'm not out of here, guys. We gotta do the black light test. Black light test. Yeah, you can already see right now, no flaws. This is almost like it's a retail shoe. I shouldn't probably say that, but that's what it feels like when you see high quality couture Italian leather here. There's no marks, no leading lines, no stitching problems, no stamps. I don't know what could be wrong with this sneaker. Like, I'm good. So now I kind of hope I get the retail pair just to see what's going on with this. And it'll be interesting to see if this UA pair, quote unquote, has better overall quality than the retail. We'll definitely see. But make sure you follow me on IG. That's where you get all the exclusive content. I will be hitting you guys with probably another video tomorrow. Peace, love, and light. And I'm out.